Department of Education. We already discussed it a little bit. They were investigating over 50, 60 universities for alleged racial discrimination as part of Trump's push to dismantle DEI
DEI.
programs. Officials are claiming that these programs exclude white and Asian American students. The investigations follow a February memo warning that schools could lose their federal funding over race-based preferences in admissions, scholarships, and or their student programs. So a lot of students, universities have revamped or redid how they're going to do their commencement ceremonies for the year.
Mm-hmm.
And the most inquiries are targeting universities partnering with a PhD project, a nonprofit that is supporting underrepresented students in business programs, which officials say engage in race exclusionary practices. Some of the schools that are under scrutiny include Arizona State, Ohio State, Yale, MIT, and Duke. Additionally, 6 other universities are being investigated for offering race-based scholarships, and another for allegedly segregating students. The investigations expand from a 2023 Supreme Court ruling banning race-based college admissions.
Mm-hmm.
And these policies are facing legal challenges from major teacher unions, arguing that it infringes on educators' rights to free speech.
Right.
Now, this 2023 Supreme Court ruling that they're referring to here is when an Asian American sued a college university stating that, they were being discriminated against for being admitted into the college.
Right.
That's valid. That's valid. If the school is saying, no, we're not going to do this because you're Asian American and we're looking for this, that is the reason why the student chose to sue the school.
I mean, he won, but I just don't understand. When you look at the demographics of the Ivy League schools, 20 to 30% of the students are Asian American. So it seems like, they're like what, 2-3% of the country.
Yep.
And 20-30% of them are getting into these schools. I'm not seeing how they were getting discriminated against. But if they were making decisions solely based off race in these schools, then I guess you can see that could be unfair.